This 78-square-mile city is responsible for giving the world so much more than just LeBron James and Halle. In fact, without Cleveland, the United States would be very different. Cleveland was once and still is an industrial powerhouse thanks to its booming steel industry and manufacturing plants. The city produced much of the raw material, specifically steel, used during the Industrial Revolution that contributed to the overall development of the country. And although Cleveland might not exactly come to mind when planning the city vacation, it should, for multiple reasons. How to save money in Cleveland: buy a Cleveland Pass instead of paying per ride for public transportation. Consider buying a Cleveland Pass which offers 1, 2, and 4-day passes that include unlimited rides on the bus, rail, trolley and BRT. Visit in off-season. The summer is Cleveland's peak tourist season with hotel rates at an all-time high. Consider visiting either from September through November or April to May when room rates are lower and crowds are fewer. What to eat: foodies will delight in this city's offerings because Clevelanders sure love their food. Beyond the various breweries, wineries and food tours, the city is home to an array of top chefs and restaurants. Whether you're looking for fine dining, the hole-in-the-wall bar or a trendy club and restaurant, Cleveland has it all. Cleveland is known as an all-American city and, by default, serves up some of the best all-American classic cuisine, infused with a gastronomical twist. After grabbing a sandwich at longtime local favorite, Silman's Deli, stop by Sweet Moses for homemade ice cream, pies, cookies and cakes. Getting around Cleveland: the best way to get around Cleveland is via public transportation. In fact, one of the greatest things about Cleveland is how easy and cheap it is to get around the city. In some cases, it's free. Thanks to Cleveland's extensive public transportation system, the Regional Transit Authority, which includes rails, buses, trolleys and the Bus Rapid Transit aka the BRT, visitors will have no problem navigating the city and reaching all major tourist attractions.